admit it, today's video title is a little bit clickbaity. A little bit. It's not completely void of truth, but my Abarth 695 Biposto is back for sale with Tony at Gravelwood. So yeah, apologies. But in an exciting turn of events, the guy who bought my Biposto last year has decided to put it back up for sale with Tony. So today, I'm headed down to Gravelwood to record a couple of behind the glass podcasts with Tony, to check out my old Biposto. It's going to be very emotional. To check out Tony's recently wrapped Porsche 911 GT3 RS, and to take this Golf R on some twisty B roads. Despite this quite horrific weather, I want to push this thing because everyone tells me it's a great car to drive fast. So yes, I brought it to maybe its natural territory, the English B road. So yeah, anyway, onwards to Tony, Gravelwood, and my Biposto. Right, son.
Oh. Good to see you.
And there's my papers.
Oh yeah.
Look, come on. What a sad time.
Porsche. We say goodbye.
When's it going online? Soon.
Yeah, soon.
Speaking of Porsches. Who? I want to check out this. Oh, and that. My Abarth's back.
Oh,
isn't it emotional? But I want you to come and show me the pink beast.
You want me to show you from here or go downstairs?
Let's go downstairs.
Let's go.
Now, are you going to give credit where credit's due for this wrap?
From Dove Customs?
Nope.
Oh, from you?
From the man who gave you the idea that you have not mentioned once in any reveal or photo. You're like, look at my new wrap that I came up with all by my little self.
No, because I didn't realise that you were due that credit.
We're going to talk about it more in the podcast that we're shortly going to be recording up on the now famous mezzanine. But dude, are you happy with this? It looks the nuts.
Look at this. This is authentic as it comes.
Did you get an old bit of tyre rubber in this?
No, I've been on a racetrack, mate.
It looks so good. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you haven't seen, if you don't know about this, Tony rewrapped his previously black, wrapped his black GT3 RS in this iconic Porsche Le Mans livery. This was originally in the 917 back in the 70s?
71.
Yeah, 71, thank you. But more recently, it's been seen on the 911 RSR from this year's Le Mans GTE Pro class. Not GT2, Archie, GTE. It looks great, though. Are you loving it?
Absolutely love it. It's honestly, it's the best. I've said it so many times. It's the best car I've ever had.
Well, we know about the car. I'm talking about the wrap, bro.
And the wrap, just everything. I'm never going to sell it.
Some nice bits in here. I keep getting distracted.
Thank you.
Whose F-Type is that?
It's mine.
It's nice with the
F-Type R.
tan interior.
It's got tan interior.
F-Type R with tan interior, all black. But it's the two-tone tan. Two-tone tan?
Two-tone tan.
Two-tone tan. Oh, so we've got every single Bentley that's ever been made.
Yeah, I mean, I have literally a Bentley collector.
But let's also focus on... the clickbait title does have some truth to it. The Abarth is back.
What is the title?
My Abarth 695 Biposto is back. It's not that bad. I said it's back for sale with Tony at Gravelwood.
Oh, okay, fine.
Dude, I have missed this thing. By the way, the rain has got so much worse than when I did the intro for this video, so I'm not going out there. But God, I've missed this little thing.
You know the man's not really driven it.
Oh, really?
No,
That's upsetting. I thought, because he said he wanted to do some track days.
I think that's what he's done.
Oh, he's just done some track days and that's about it.
But the tyres don't even look like they're worn. Maybe he hasn't.
What a track car. I have missed this little banana beast. This is... It's how much are you putting up for, by the way? Do you know? 25
grand.
25 is still a steal. I mean, that's 20 grand less than it cost from new. So these are just so much fun. Well, I'm half tempted, but I'm not actually serious about potentially buying it.
I actually remember coming round, it was short, but coming round Brands.
Yes. We went around Brands. It's a proper little track machine.
Yeah. And perfect for Brands.
Perfect
little
for
track.
Brands. I know, you've got some cool cars out there.
Well,
but it's raining, so shall we go upstairs and do the podcast?
Yeah.
Stay dry, yeah. To the podcast mezzanine! This weather is grim. What happened to the English summer? We were experiencing a heat wave 2 weeks ago. That seems to be over, and that's kind of ruined my plans to go on a B-road hoon in this car. Yes, it's got four-wheel drive, but it's not exactly the idea I had. Anyway, I'll try and cruise back to London in a bit of a sporty mode, just so I can talk about and reflect on my views of the Golf. Turn this phone down. Paul Wallace is floating around somewhere in this area, but I don't think I've got time to see him because I'll head back to London. Anyway, I'm whittering on. Let's go find some half-decent, very wet roads. I'm gonna be honest, out here on roads that are a little bit more interesting than central London or motorway, this car does start to make even more sense, because it's very good in central London or on the motorway. In fact, it's near on perfect, but it could be described as a little bit void of character. It's sort of so good that it feels a little bit numb. But then you get out here, you get into race mode, you have that Akrapovic exhaust singing, and I can understand why people obsess over this thing so much. It's just very, very good. It doesn't fill me with a huge amount of excitement. I don't lust after one, but I really struggle to find faults with it. On my initial impressions video, lots of you said it was boring. It was a boring choice. It looks boring. Oh, Golf is boring. And I kind of get where you're coming from that. It's almost like the safe choice. But is that just because it's just really good? I remember an old Volkswagen Golf advertising campaign where they did lots of things like, you know, shut doors and change, and they kept saying, oh, it's just like a Golf. Oh, it sounds like a Golf. Does it like a Golf? And that's a brilliant example. It's like with Apples or iPods. Oh, it's like an iPod. It's like Airbnb for this. It's like, think of another example. Yeah, the iPod of this, or whatever. You know, those kind of like, the Golf I do feel like is the leading example. Maybe I'm just biased, I don't know. But yeah, it's been a short but very interesting and fun and useful week with this car. Today's been a very strange video. I really was expecting middle of August it to be sunny here in the UK, and I was going to make a beautiful, well shot, lovely executed video. Instead, I'm incredibly jet lagged still, feeling very, very tired. The weather is horrific. I'm sort of all out of breath from recording 2 podcasts with Tony, so I'm struggling to get my words out, and yeah, it's all falling apart. But anyway, I wanted to give you an update because it felt weird to hand this car back without telling you kind of my thoughts, which are, it's very good, and then that's about it. I hope you enjoyed today, though. I hope you've enjoyed today's little video anyway. Give it a thumbs up if you have, and make sure to subscribe for plenty more videos to come.